Hey, I'm Kara and I'm super excited to show you how to crochet. Crochet is the art of making things with a hook. And all crochet patterns, whether it's for a sweater or a blanket or a toy, they're all made by making loops with a hook. So if you can make a loop, you can crochet. In this course, we'll be making 3 basic dishcloths, each one focusing on a different stitch that together form the foundation for all of crochet. You'll learn how to single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and I'll show you how to make a slip knot and a chain. My goal isn't just to teach you the basic stitches or how to read a pattern, but to really help you understand the basics of how crochet is constructed so you'll be able to tackle any other projects with confidence. Along the way, you'll also learn how to read a yarn label so you know what you're looking at when you're out shopping for yarn, as well as how to read both written and charted crochet patterns. That way, you'll be able to keep this adventure going long after you've made dishcloths for everyone you know. Included in the course materials, you'll find a supply list with links to everything you need, a copy of all 3 patterns, and as a bonus, I'm excited to be including a couple of different labels, so when you're finished, you'll be able to gift and share your handmade treasures in style. Crochet is a great hobby. You can take it with you anywhere, it doesn't require batteries or power, and it's a great stress reliever too. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get ready to hook it up.